Hey there! Ready to proudly display your country's flag in Warzone Mobile? Today I've got you covered on how to make that happen right from your iPhone. Let's dive in without delay. To kick things off, fire up Warzone Mobile on your iPhone. Once you're in the lobby, look down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Gear Up. Now, if you're aiming to use your country's flag as your profile picture, go ahead and tap on Emblem. From the list that pops up, locate your flag and give it a tap. Then hit Equip and you're all set. However, if you would rather flaunt your flag as your calling card, simply tap on Calling Card. Next, scroll through the list until you spot your flag. Once you've found it, tap, hold, and drag it over to the first slot on the left. Voila! Your calling card now proudly bears your country's flag. And that's a wrap. You have successfully showcased your country's flag in Warzone Mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And for more handy Warzone tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.